Hey guys, today's video will be short and sweet. I will be showing you guys how to make an easy reed diffuser recipe. So I'll be making my Island Escape reed diffuser today. What you will need is one reed diffuser bottle. I got this from Candle Science. And you will need 2 ounces of fragrance oil and 3 ounces of the reed diffuser base. I get mine from Makesy. It's a coconut based. Here is the lid that will go on, and also the stopper to stop it from spilling everywhere. So let's get started. So you take your funnel and you pour in the 3 ounces of the reed diffuser base. And then you pour in the 2 ounces of fragrance oil. After that, you want to remove the funnel. And then you take the stopper and you put the stopper in. Apply the lid. Shake and enjoy. And that's how easy it is to make a reed diffuser. Thank you for watching my video. I will include some links to some products from Amazon so you can easily make this on your own. Thank you.